Today I want to show you how easy it is to make ravioli. And even if you never made them before, trust me, it is simple. For the filling, I'm gonna use fresh ricotta, loads of grated Grana Padano cheese, an egg yolk, salt, freshly ground black pepper. Then mix it well all together. If in doubt, add more Grana Padano cheese. Here I have a basic pasta dough, 1 egg, 100 grams of flour. Now you roll it and get nice and thin. Now we're gonna place the ricotta filling all on this line right here. Brush it with a little bit of water all around the filling. Fold it on itself to trap the filling inside. Gently pinch in between the fillings. And make sure it's nice and sealed, and to finish, cut in between each one. This shape is called Agnolotti. Cook them in plenty of salted boiling water, and meanwhile we'll make the sauce. When cooking ravioli, be careful, especially when they're fresh like this. You don't want the water to be boiling too aggressively or they will open up or break up. Pan on a very high temperature, sage inside, butter, touch of salt and black pepper, and a drop of Prosecco DOC rosé. Drop in the ravioli along with a little bit of pasta water. Make sure that butter sauce is coating all of the ravioli. Finish with a beautiful butter, sage and Prosecco DOC sauce and loads of Grana Padano cheese on top. They are simple, elegant, delicious, and everyone can make them. Salute!